Hi, my name is Philip King, and welcome to this video where I'm going to discuss the Artisteer graphical user interface. For those who don't know what Artisteer is, it's simply a WYSIWYG design tool for creating content management system templates for WordPress, Blogger, Drupal, Joomla and HTML. If you haven't downloaded Artisteer yet, you will find a link to do so below the video. If you need help on downloading and installing Artisteer, then take a look at my video, Artisteer Download and Install. The link is also given below this video. The Artisteer graphical user interface. The Artisteer interface consists of the File panel, the Quick Access toolbar, the ribbon, the Preview area, and the Pages and Post panel. The File menu contains project options, template options, plugin development options, activation settings, and the About Artisteer dialog. You can also adjust the GUI settings in Preferences or Exit Artisteer. The Quick Access toolbar contains the Open, Save, Undo, Redo, and Export options. This is a customizable toolbar which you can use to create one-click shortcuts to frequently used commands and quickly perform the most common tasks. The ribbon contains all the designer tools. The ribbon bar is divided into tabs, and the tabs contain options for designing the whole template: Home, Edit, Colors, Fonts, Layouts, etc., or its parts: Background, Sheet, Header, Menu, Content, Blocks, Vertical Menu, Controls, Footers, and so on. The Preview area lets you see and edit your design using preview highlights. The Pages and Posts panel is a part of the Preview area. It displays your website structure. You can also add, delete, edit or rename pages and posts here. Additional options can be displayed in panel or window mode. With panel mode, you don't have to continually select the ribbon bar to open a dialog to change options. For example, selecting the Sheet tab, followed by this really tiny expand icon, will display the Sheet Options panel. Clicking on the Preview area header will display the Header Options panel. Clicking on various aspects of the template will display the options panels for those areas. Clicking on the Window Mode icon will display a floating pop-up options window. Clicking the Panel Mode button will, as you would expect, restore the panel mode. The Pages and Posts panel, located on the left side of the preview window, is your sitemap. It shows you all of the pages and posts that have been created in your project. You can manage your pages and posts using the pop-up context menu. Simply right-click on a page and post in the folder to see the associated context menu. You can hide the Pages and Post panel by clicking on the icon in the upper right-hand corner. If we select the Page Properties General tab, we can define the attributes for the page. Some of these are very important to search engine optimization, so should not be neglected. In the General section, we have the name URL and the title. The name URL is the name of the web page. This is used to identify the page on your website. The title is the HTML reference to your page. This is the title of your page as it appears in the browser's tabs or in your favorites list when the page is bookmarked. By default, the menu sources for both horizontal and vertical menus are the pages you create in Artisteer. The captions are from the page titles in the sitemap. You can always choose to change the menu items. The important thing is that you create the style for the menu in Artisteer and the content in the back end. Okay, let's have a look at the page tags. For the description, give a short description of the created page, about 150 characters. Your description becomes part of the HTML meta tag description for this page. The keywords entered here become part of the HTML meta tag keywords code for this page. If you want to include any additional meta tags, use the custom meta tags text box. Okay, let's move on to the Show in Menu properties. In the Show in Menu properties, there is a horizontal and vertical menu checkbox. In either case, check the box to have the page displayed in the relevant menu. You can also select what pages to display in the menus using the Pages in Menu buttons to bring up a sitemap where you can select the pages. Now let's discuss the Export and Publish menu. Templates and websites created in Artisteer can be either exported or published. When you export your design, Artisteer generates a theme template on your local machine ready for uploading to your website. You can use either Artisteer as an FTP client to move files to your server or a separate FTP client. When you publish a CMS template or website template, it is uploaded to a host server such as blogger.com or artisteer.net. I'm not sure if that makes sense at this stage, but we'll discuss FTP in more detail in another video. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found it interesting. If you haven't downloaded Artisteer yet, you will find a link to do so below the video. If you need help on downloading and installing Artisteer, then take a look at my video, Artisteer Download and Install. The link is also given below this video. Thanks once again for taking the time to view this video.